everybody, and welcome to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Today, I will be joined by Hunter1976 on this new Let's Play. It's called World in a Jar. It's a pretty awesome Let's Play, and we have to survive in a jar as long as we can. Hunter, do you want to make it a little harder? Maybe 5 lives? That sound good? Okay. After 5 lives, we have to give up. So Hunter, let's go ahead and start chopping some trees down. And guys, do you all want me to start these Let's Plays with Hunter? He's an awesome dude. Nathan PL is, and typical he is too. We might be working with him in the future sometime, you never know. I hope we do. Hunter might be getting him a good old server. Might be, guys. Don't hold me to it. Here, Hunter, let's build what we call infinite cobblestone generator. So, guys, check out the channel. Make a crafting bench, okay? There. Oh no, I gotta leave this alone. Maybe I can work with this. Guys, I ain't good at making cobblestone generators, but leave in the description how to, because I ain't good at this stuff. Me and Hunter's new to stuff. Hunter, but let's go mine a little bit. What we're going to have to do is get some we call iron, so we can get some buckets. We can get some buckets. And pretty good. That's the only way we're going to get our stuff is get buckets. So accidentally place it down. How silly of me. Guys, and if you want to keep this Let's Play going, if we can reach 15 likes in the next few episodes, I will keep it going to episode 15. By that time, we should have some diamonds and stuff, hopefully. I checked out a little bit of this, but not too much, guys. I watched a few episodes. Have y'all ever watched Jack Frost Miner? He does awesome videos too. They're pretty awesome YouTubers. Nathan and Brian. Guys, I think we're at the jar border. Keep mine and might be able to find some iron. Brian, you can hear me. Brian, we found diamonds! Woo! Guys, this is an awesome episode. The first episode when we found diamonds, redstone. Guys, we're getting too lucky this episode. More diamonds. And guys, later today, if we can reach 10 likes, I will make sure the next episode is out today. Whoa, what? Brad, what? Whoa! Brian, you could have died right there. Brian, let's head up and make this a stone picking. Brian, I think we should wait till next episode to move island. Don't you think so? Okay. Let's make some. God, this is a pretty good episode. It's small, but the next episode I'll make it a little longer. Just for you guys. y'all enjoyed. Here's Hunter who's just on pick. Mine a little off. And guys, if you want me to, I'll go off camera and do some mining too to make it easier, because I know mining can be a little bit boring. Ain't like super fun. And a Hunter. Me and Hunter do some offline mining. You think we should, Hunter? Okay, guys. I guess we'll end it here. We found diamonds on the first episode. That is big, guys. Hunter, we found iron. Guys, hopefully by next episode, we will have some iron arm, diamond armor. And if you just think of it, just think about letting us do offline mining. If you all want to do, it ain't me. I'm making this channel for your all's purpose. And go check out Hunter 1976 channel and Brian Workman. They're awesome people. AKA Hunter 1976 and Nathan PLs and Typical PD. They're awesome YouTubers, and we might be working with them sometime in the future, because Hunter might be getting a server. It's going to be pretty awesome. Guys, I say, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. I know this episode was a little boring, but Hunter, do you think I should make it just like a few more minutes long? It'd be nice for people on YouTube. I think it's good. Okay. Guys, Hunter said it, so I'll make it just a little bit longer. God, this has been a pretty good episode, ain't it? Yeah, but the thing is, it's going to get dark. Wait, Hunter, get upstairs. Get upstairs. It's going to be dark here in a minute. No way. There's some torches. Hunter, make a little bit of torches if you can. There. Guys, this has been a pretty good episode, I say. I hope we get some saplings. If you don't get those saplings, guys, you get in the comments about using hot air and shooting one sapling. Hunter, do you think we should do that? Okay, well, then we'll just go to another island and collect some wood then. Guys, this is going to be a decently long series. I'm a new channel YouTuber. And, if we can reach 15 likes, that would be greatly appreciated. You're all awesome. I mean, awesome. Hunter, aka Brian, Hunter 1976, aka Brian Workman's awesome too. PL's pretty awesome. Typical PD's pretty awesome. They're all awesome friends. Go check out each of their channels. Might be a bit longer, I guess. And guys, leave in the comments like any other Let's Plays you want us to me and Hunter do, like Terraria, Survival, what's it called again? Survival Island. Any other game like you want us to do, just leave it in the comments. And tell your friends about this new YouTube channel if you want to. Tell them about Hunter. It's an awesome dude. Hunter, can you place down that furnace? Ain't no Hunter, this has been a pretty good episode. Okay, guys, I guess it'll wrap it up for this episode. We got some iron, pretty good. The next episode will be out tomorrow. Hunter, say bye. guys. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. And this is a pretty awesome YouTube channel. Okay, guys? I'll see you later.